Alam mo yung na-realize ko, tayong mga babae, lagi nating inuuna yung ibang tao. Yung pamilya natin, yung work, at marami pang bagay. Pero minsan nakakalimutan natin yung pinaka-importante, yung sarili mo. Oo, ikaw. Well, for me, I spend at least 10 to 15 minutes every morning just for myself. Simple lang. I curl my hair before ako pumunta ng office or bago ako lumabas. Because I think it's not vanity. It's self-love. And it's my way of saying, uy, mahalaga ka. Because when you feel good about yourself, you walk with confidence. You think clearer. And you shine brighter inside and out. So ladies, alagaan natin yung sarili natin. Yung health mo, yung happiness mo, yung well-being mo. Mahalin mo yung sarili mo. And remember to always love yourself a little more each day.